You're searching for how to buy shares of Agilent Technologies Inc. Agilent provides analytical instruments and lab solutions and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AUS. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To start, you need a broker account, and we use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by submitting an ID, and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search box and type the ticker A.US to find Agilent Technologies. Make sure you select the listing that matches Agilent on NASDAQ. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review historical movement. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure it's the correct Agilent Technologies listing. To place an order, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills. Check the video description for the platform link if you want to follow the same example.